What's going on, people? Back at it again with another video for you. And in this exciting video, I'm going to show you how to get NFL REDZONE HD. Okay? Yes, I said NFL REDZONE in HD. So, real quick, real simple. You got to have your mouse toggle. Okay? I have the video link down below in the description of showing you how to get that and activate it. Okay? And it's an option. You can have blockade or you don't have to have blockade. The application we're about to use has ads, but it's not that much. But with blockade, it blocks 90% of it. You know what I mean? And it's pretty good. I think it's okay. You know what I mean? Also, with blockade, it's a VPN, just to give you guys a heads up. All right? So, let's get into it. This is the application. It's called TV Pato 2, meaning TV, Duck TV 2. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to go into it. Just to show you how it is, and then I'm going to show you how to download it. Okay? Now, this application is in Spanish, but don't worry about it. I'll walk you through it, and it's real simple to get to the NFL REDZONE. All right, at this point, you're going to turn on your mouse. You're going to press twice on your remote. You see that little floating circle? Come down to where it says right here, access fast or fast access. Now, this, you're gonna turn off your mouse, okay? Press play twice slowly, and you're going to click up until you highlight this right here. You're gonna see it like a really faded like circle over it. Then you're gonna click it, okay? Then you get your menu. Everything is in Spanish. If you understand and know how to read Spanish, that's a great plus for you. If you don't know how to read it or don't understand, just follow what I'm about to do, okay? So at this point, you're going to click down, and this sub menu is a little tricky to work with. Click down, it shoots all the way down. Just click up a couple times, and it will start moving up, okay? There you go. Now, see what I mean? You got to click it twice really fast, sometimes once really fast. It's just a little tricky. Now, you see where it says USA Sports? That's the sucker you want to pick. So now what you're going to do is press play twice on your remote, come down over to the sports, USA Sports, click it. Okay. You see what I see? NFL REDZONE. All right. So what you're going to do is click your NFL REDZONE. Give it a second. And there you go. You see NFL REDZONE? So there you go. Okay, I backed out of it. Now, just to give you guys a heads up about this, sometimes when you try to go in it, it doesn't come up. Just back out of it and go back into it, and then it should work. Sometimes you have to go into it like three times, and then it'll kick on. But as you've seen, it's in pure HD. I'll show you once again. I clicked REDZONE with my mouse. Give it a second. There you go. All right. Backed out of it one more time. As you see, it does work. It's pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The one thing I can't stress enough is make sure you guys follow the instructions easily and super fast. All right. So now let's go how you download it. See this guy here, Filelinked? I have also, this is the quickest and easiest way to get this application. It's down below the description of how to get it. If you don't know how, just follow the description in that video, and it's so easy to do. But we're going to open up Filelinked. Okay, give it 1 second. And there we go. Pulls this up, okay? And my pin, where all my files are, is 645-39676. That's my code, I meant to say. Once you enter that code in, it's easy to do. You just enter in like that. Okay, once you enter it in, hit continue. All right, and there you go. All my files. Now, what you're going to go, and I got a lot in here, and I usually update when I have new stuff and working. You're going to go to right here. Okay, you're going to dismiss that. It's just a newsletter. Okay, you're going to click this right here where it says TV Pato 2. Give it a second. It should download it or install it. There you go. See how it says downloaded? Now you're going to, oops, sorry about that. You're going to click down to where you highlight it. Click that. Since I already have it, it's already on there, but I'll do it again. Just hit install. Give it a second to install. And there you go. It's installed and it's easy. 1, 2, 3. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, keep the positive comments coming. Any suggestions, leave it down in the comments. All the instructions how to get Blokada, mouse toggle, the file link, how to get them all and everything is just down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to make it quick as possible and enjoy the NFL season. All right, have a good day. Yeah.